What's up everyone? In this tutorial we'll be showing you how to do a keeper league on ESPN. So stick around to the end to understand how you can do this. Right here on ESPN we'll need to log in. After logging in we're going to go over to Fantasy. Click on Fantasy and then we're going to scroll down and on the right side you can see play ESPN Fantasy Basketball, Fantasy Hockey. So we're going to click on Create a League. Next thing to do is to click on Create a League one more time as you will be the league manager here. So click on Create a League again, and on this page, you're going to give your league a name, set the number of teams, and any preference you wish for the scoring. We're going to be using head-to-head point, and then click on Create a League. And sure enough, you could invite via email or just copy the invite link. I'm just going to do this just to have it around, and then click on the X. And then when we're under the Team tab, we can see some information here, but we're going to go over to LM Tools. We're going to click on it. And the next thing you need to do is to look at the right area of the screen where you have league and scoring setting tools. We're going to click on Edit League Settings, and once this page loads up, by default you will be under the Summary view. We're going to go over to Transactions and Keepers. And next we'll need to scroll down to the bottom. Right here we have Keeper Roles and we're going to click on Edit. And after that, we're going to go over here on the role Use Keepers for 2025 season. We're going to click on the drop down and click on Yes. This will bring a drop down too. And you have the role 2025 keepers per team. Going to click on the drop down and make a choice of how many we would like to have. We can make it 4, and after that's done, we will click on Save Changes. And when this page reloads, we're going to scroll down just to check, and we can see 2025 keepers per team 4. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.